let's have naman po, we have questions siguro coming from our media right now and our friends.
Who has been the biggest influence in your journey toward empowerment?
The women in my life. Yeah, my mom, my lola. Talagang sila yung naging inspiration ko. And I think they're the strongest people I know.
What does being an empowered woman mean to you personally?
Hindi ko pa siya masyadong ma-reach because I don't think ito ng pinaka 100% empowered ako. But I think I show up every day. Feeling ko kahit pagod ako, I show up for myself. Feeling ko dun ako na empowered din to keep going.
And any questions coming from our media friends?
Hi, Belle. I'm Faith from Don Bell Bacolod chapter. What's the biggest challenge you faced as a woman?
Siguro yun nga. Actually, this doesn't just go for women eh. Parang general siya in terms of finding confidence. And I think that's something we all struggled with growing up. And I feel like in the future, mas madami pa po akong pagdadaanan, di ba? Kasi every day that we live, mas ma-enlighten tayo sa mundo. So, yeah, finding confidence. But yun nga, I was able to, I mean, I still am now. It's a working journey. But it's important that you really take time for yourself. So, yun talaga siya. Like, finding confidence, I would say.
Gen Z is known to be creative, but many also hesitate because of the fear of being cringe. What advice would you give them?
I think the fear of being cringe, parang same lang siya sa the fear of being judged. I used to cringe also sa old videos ko because that wasn't me. I wasn't creating things that were true to myself. So ako mismo magki-cringe. Now when I watch my videos now, I can sit through them because alam kong ako yun. And for the people that are watching now, when I'm being my truest self, and nagka-cringe pa din sila, they're just not my target audience, I guess. Hindi kami bate. Hindi lang ako nila type and that's just it. But as long as I know na, I like what I'm doing now.
So go lang ng go, laban lang.
Laban lang.
Yes, laban lang tayo, sis.
You've been seen as a role model by many. Who's your role model and what inspires you to keep growing and keep showing up?
Dami kong role model eh. Like, depende kung saang aspect ng life. Siguro pag let's say sa work kayo, nagiging inspiration ko kayo sa ginagawa ko. Parang mas gusto kong pag-igihan kasi yun nga.
Maraming nagsusuporta, maraming nagmamahal.
Yes, nakakatuwa na binigyan ako ng platform magpasaya ng tao. So, kayo, naging role model kayo sa akin. My mom, my role model, my lola, parang yun nga, like what I said earlier, they're the strongest people I know. So, lahat actually, depends kung anong aspect sa buhay. But in terms of career-wise, kayo ang nagiging role model ko. And of course, si Lord.
Yes, and again, kayo ang inspirasyon ni Belle!
What does it mean to you to go beyond your limits? Can you share a moment when you did just that?
I think hindi siya dramatic na parang, I went beyond my limits, na parang I climbed the Everest, ganun. Pero feeling ko sa mga times na I'm so exhausted, pero ginagawa ko pa rin siya kahit 10, 15 minutes, that's already beyond my limit. So, but stretching that way, parang hindi siya na will change my life overnight, but the way that I push myself, parang it builds habits na, you know, para sa next time na mangyari pa ulit sa akin yun, I'll remember the time when I pushed beyond my limits and then replicate that na lang.
Perfect.
You've inspired so many with your journey and confidence. But when you're not feeling 100%, what helps you reconnect with your purpose or sweetness? Do you have a routine or mindset that helps you bounce back?
Ako talaga, routine ko, like no joke kasi Christian ako, so I pray talaga. Like, totoo. Kasi, grabe, minsan talaga may days na parang feeling mo, you just wanna, like, stay in bed, na parang sad ka talaga.
Para dapat disconnected ka sa
world, and that's okay.
Yeah, okay lang. May mga times talaga.
Yeah, that doesn't make you any less of a human. Siguro yun yung kailangan natin alalahanin. And yun, I do my quiet time, and I talk to the people that could help me. Like my mom, my family, my siblings. Parang binabalikan ko talaga yung core ko.